Hi everyone, this is Ahmed Don in Bangkok. So we just did a street food video and picked a random restaurant to eat. And you can see that this is a busy Bangkok street, and there are lots of street food stall. And we picked up, I don't think it has any name, so not sure what is the name. So we just picked up this random street food stall, and we bought stir fried beef with basil, which is right there, and then we bought stir fried crispy chicken with basil, that one. So they're like 60 and 70 baht, and then the food is ready inside. So this is how it looks, and we got working lady there, and they're preparing everything right here in front of your eyes. And then here is the beef one, and here's the chicken, and you can see a lot of portion. Then we picked up Miranda, and we picked up Pepsi, and we'll eat here at this street food stall.